Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to color collaborate your Windows 10 or Windows 11 display. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type DCCW. Opens up run command. Click on open it guys. Select this next option. Select the next option again. Select the next, and here you can move the slider to minimize the visibility of small dots in the middle of each circle. You can visible the small dots in here guys. Just change it what you like and select next, and select next. Too dark, good brightness, and too bright. This is the good brightness guys. Select next. Using the control on display, set the brightness higher or lower until you can distinguish the shift from the shoot if with the X barely visible. Mentioned as in the picture guys. After checking it, you just need to click on next, and this is not enough contrast and good contrast and too much contrast. Click on next. Using the contrast control on your display, set the contrast as high as possible without losing the ability to see the wrinkle and patterns on the shot. Select next, and select next. Move the red, green and blue slider to remove any color code from the gray bar. You just need to drag this to remove any colors in the gray bar. Basically you just need to adjust the color balance and select next, and select next again. And if you want to check mark this, clear type makes the text you can see the screen sharper, cleaner and easier to read. If you want it, then check mark it guys and select next. Select next, 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 next and next, and you have finished the tanning the text on your monitor, and select finish for save changes. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.